हासिल किया है और हाईलाइट ये है कि वो अब तक डे 2 तक शानदार प्रदर्शन रहा है प्रकाश का। केरल के हैं 4 मेडल हासिल कर चुके हैं, जिसमें 3 गोल्ड और 1 सिल्वर।
Yes, if you look at the medals tally till an hour back, Kerala has been trailing both Madhya Pradesh and Haryana in 3rd spot in the overall medals tally with 6 gold medals. But this effort by Sajjan Prakash means he's won his 3rd gold medal in the 1500 meters as far as men's swimming is concerned. A total of 30 laps in this grueling event for the men's. And what we can see right now is that the 800 meters women's event is taking place from the Aquatics complex in Tirappankod in Trivandrum.
From Maharashtra and Akasha Vora, both from Maharashtra, and Malvika Bhi from Kerala, from Karnataka. All three are neck to neck. First 100 meter, they are going to complete the first 100 meter. They are already crossed a 90 meter. The 3 are having a symmetry and symmetrical swimming. Look at the synchronization of all 3. And a good turn by lane number 4. Once again, a powerful kick. Lane number 5 has taken a little over lane number 4. This lane number 5 is Monique Gandhi from Maharashtra. Lane number 4, Akasha Vora from Maharashtra. Both are having a neck-to-neck fight. And a tough challenge been given lane number 3 also. Lane number 3, it is Malvika V from Karnataka. प्रशांत एक बार और हमें 800 मीटर की रेस जो 3, 4, 5 लेन में है, इनके आर्म एक्शन और लेग एक्शन देखिए कितने अच्छे चल रहे हैं और तीनों ही एक साथ चल रहे हैं इस समय। बहुत ही अच्छी रेस चल रही है इस समय।
जी हाँ, इसमें से 2 जो स्विमर हैं वो महाराष्ट्र के हैं। आकांक्षा वोरा जो लेन नंबर 4 में है, लेन नंबर 5 में है मोनिक गांधी, और ये दोनों ही वो स्विमर हैं जिन्होंने अपनी टीम को गोल्ड मेडल दिलाया था महिलाओं की 4 गुणा 100 मीटर की फ्री स्टाइल स्पर्धा में। तो अब एक और स्वर्ण की तैयारी, ये दोनों ही एक दूसरे को पुश कर रहे हैं और आवश्यकता हुआ करती है जब आप साथ में जोड़ीदार बनकर किसी काम को अंजाम देते हैं तो रिजल्ट बेहतर आते हैं। और एथलेटिक्स में भी दरअसल ऐसा हुआ करता है। प्रिजा श्रीधरन और कविता राउत इस बात का अच्छा उदाहरण है। बहरहाल मैं स्विमिंग की बात करूंगा एक बार फिर। निगाहें 3, 4 और 5th लेन पर सबसे आगे चल रही हैं इस समय। लेन नंबर 5 में मोनिक गांधी, ठीक उनके बगल में लेन नंबर 4 में आकांक्षा वोरा महाराष्ट्र की, और लेन नंबर 3 मालविका वी मालविका कर्नाटक की स्विमर। हालांकि अभी थोड़ी सी जल्दबाजी होगी रिजल्ट के लिए कयास लगाना, लेकिन मुकाबला इन तीनों में रहेगा, इस बात से इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता। जहां तक इस स्पर्धा के राष्ट्रीय कीर्तिमान की बात है, ऋचा मिश्रा के नाम राष्ट्रीय कीर्तिमान है 9 मिनट 24.45 सेकंड का। दिल्ली की इस स्विमर ने सभी को प्रभावित किया था। 2011 में 11 गोल्ड मेडल जीते थे, यहां भी इस स्पर्धा में मौजूद है और 1 गोल्ड मेडल वे ले चुकी है 100 मीटर बटरफ्लाई का। लेकिन अभी और मुकाबले बाकी हैं। ऋचा मिश्रा का कीर्तिमान क्या इस पर्टिकुलर स्पर्धा में खंडित हो सकता है? अभी तक 7 इवेंट हुई हैं जहां तक तैराकी स्पर्धा की बात है। 7 में से 5 बार ऐसा हुआ है कि नेशनल रिकॉर्ड ध्वस्त हुआ है।
They have completed 300 meter race, but the still neck to neck. Lane number 3, Malvika V from Karnataka, Akasha Vora from Maharashtra, Monique Gandhi from Maharashtra. That shows endurance, speed, and the strength. Who has the most strength and speed will come to know in the last 700 meter is completed. This is going to be 800 meter race. The last record was made by Richa Mishra of Delhi. That time she clocked 9 minutes 24.45 seconds. Can these girls make the new meet record, create the new record? Looks like as the having a synchronized swimming is simultaneously a good turn by both of them. They are not leaving anyone behind. Trying their very, very hard. Number 4 and 5, both from Maharashtra. Both from Maharashtra. This is Akasha Vora and Monique Gandhi. They are having a good time in the swimming pool. They knows who is going to beat whom, but they are not leaving anyone. Nevertheless, lane number 3 also not leaving them. Malvika B from Karnataka. Absolutely a very fine race between these 3. This is 800 meter. They are going to complete 400 meter race. They are last 5 meter and till neck to neck. That shows their top endurance and speed. Look at the turn altogether. Very, very good turn by all of them. Lane number 5 has taken little lead in the turning, Monique Gandhi. But it is lane number 5 is Monique Gandhi. Lane number 3 is Malvika V. Akasha Vora in lane number 4. A very, very good race between among all of them. That really impresses me for their strength and speed. And we'll see what is going to happen in the last 800 meters. And this is a beautiful race. They have already completed 400 meters and this is 450 meters they are going to complete it. Look at the turn. Again, once again, it's lane number 4 and 5. Beautiful turn. And lane number 4 and 5. Akasha Vora, Monique Gandhi, Malvika V. They are having a good time. They are really trying to beat each other but not leaving anyone. And we'll see in the last 100 meters who has the more strength, power and speed. But this is going to be lane number 4 in the lead at presently. Akasha Vora. Akasha Vora is maintaining, not trying to take the lead, but Malvika V is not letting her take the lead. Akasha Vora has taken a little lead and taken the turn for the first time. Again between lane number 3 and 5. This is Akasha Vora. Akasha Vora from Maharashtra has taken a 3-meter lead over lane number 3 and 5. Malvika V and Monique Gandhi. A good race between them. प्रशांत बहुत ही अच्छी रेस का इस समय आनंद लेते हुए ये तीनों बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बट आकाशा वोरा ने थोड़ा सा लीड को मेंटेन किया।
जी हाँ, निगाहें उन्हीं की तरफ रही। लेन नंबर 4 में बेस्ट टाइमर रही हैं हीट्स में आकांक्षा वोरा महाराष्ट्र की। उनके ठीक साथ में है मोनिक गांधी, वो उनकी साथी स्विमर है, एक ही स्टेट से खेला करते हैं और साथ ही संभवतः अभ्यास किया करती हैं। और मालविका भी कर्नाटक की, ये बराबरी से टक्कर दे रही है, लेकिन सबसे आगे सभी की निगाहों की पात्र बन चुकी है आकांक्षा वोरा। लेन नंबर 4 में कुल मिलाकर 12 लैप पूरे होने जा रहे हैं, 16 लैप होने हैं। 800 मीटर फ्री स्टाइल महिलाओं की 35वें राष्ट्रीय खेलों की 13 की स्पर्धा का ये कुल मिलाकर 8वें गोल्ड मेडल का फैसला होना है। कल 6 गोल्ड मेडल तय हुए थे, आज दूसरा स्वर्ण पदक सामने आना है। ये 12वां लैप पूरा हुआ, कुल मिलाकर 16 लैप होने हैं। तो 8 मिनट 9 मिनट 24.45 सेकंड का ऋचा मिश्रा का रिकॉर्ड क्या टूटेगा, ये देखने वाली बात रहेगी। समय खिसक रहा है, लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी इन तीनों किरदारों की। बेहतरीन तरीके से अपने लक्ष्य की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। जहां तक
National Games 2015 live, brought to you by National Games Organizing Committee.
Join me for the National Games 2015. Get set, play.
Powered by Carbon Smart.
High quality, best price.
Insurance partner, United India Insurance Company.
Solutions that bring back smiles real fast.
Banking partner, State Bank of Travancore.
Low interest rate, concession and processing charge. State Bank of Travancore.
Bharat Gas, cooked food, served love.
National Games airline partner, Jet Airways.
Jet Airways. It's a new way to fly.
Merchandise partner, Diamond India Limited.
www.diamondindia.net.
Indian Oil Corporation Limited.
Servo, a range of world-class lubricants from Indian Oil.
And BSNL.
BSNL, connecting India faster.
Energy in there, still maintains a lead, and rather is taking a lead. This is going to be a beautiful stroke of Akasha Vora. Akasha Vora is from Maharashtra, heading for the first position. Akasha Vora, absolutely a very fine stroke. Last 50 meters. This is going to be Akasha Vora with a new meet record, looks like, and second position Malvika V and third is Monique Gandhi. Akasha Vora has taken a more lead, maintaining a lead, swimming very, very fast. Last 25 meters, this is Akasha Vora of Maharashtra. He is heading for a new meet record with a much better timing. Akasha Vora, the golden girl from Maharashtra. Akasha Vora heading for a 800 meters, and she is going to make a new meet record with a much better timing, and she finished it with 9:14. The last timing was 9:24. Over 10 seconds she has broken a new meet record. That shows the hard work she has made it. She has done it. That shows the power she has shown it, and looks like very professional now. Look at this is Akasha Vora. He's not tired.
So I have with me the winner of 800 meter freestyle women section, Akanksha Vora, 17-year-old girl from Maharashtra. Akanksha, tell us about your experience of the swim.
I think the swim was really great and it feels really good because it's such a big thing. but there was like a bit of a glitch during the swim. There was a medical emergency, and I wish that hadn't happened. It's kind of unfortunate, but overall it was a great experience.
Did you strategize your race accordingly, or you had some plan, or it just happened impromptu?
To be honest, I really didn't have a plan today. I really didn't. I just went with the flow and sort of worked out, so that's good.
But all your training is coming up well now. For the next few days, you have some important events coming up. Yeah,
the main thing for me, because I'm still in the juniors, so the junior national is usually the biggest event of the year, and that's in July, so now I have enough time to train for that. Hopefully it'll be a great meet again.
So I'm sure the next few days will be a great outing. How are you finding it in Kerala right now at National Games?
It's really nice. It's so picturesque and great, and it's really beautiful. I'm having a blast.
I wish you all the best for the next upcoming events, and all the best for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
हाँ, सर्विसेज उत्तर प्रदेश में एक कड़ी स्पर्धा हमें दिखाई.
On to the victory stand.
So we've got the victory ceremony coming up for the women's 800 meters freestyle.
Is Monique Gandhi of Maharashtra.
And the three proud medalists that you see. Two from Maharashtra, one from Karnataka. We've had new records being established. The medals being presented by Mr. Digambar Kamat. Monique Gandhi from Maharashtra, the winner of the bronze medal. Maharashtra has always been a strong state as far as water sports are concerned. So proud moments for this young girl, Monique Gandhi. And the silver medalist is going to be Malvika V of Karnataka.
The silver medal goes to Malvika V of Karnataka with
This
a time of
Malvika from Karnataka also has a strong tradition of good swimmers who've done very well over the years in the national games. One remembers Nisha Millet a few years ago when we had the national games in Pune in 1994. And thereafter, well, you also have Sajini Shetty, etc., who all came from there as far as the women's swimmers are concerned. And this is Malvika V. And now the biggest cheers and great moments to savor for the gold medal winner, who's going to be climbing up onto the victory podium, Akansha Vora, who you heard just a short while ago in a short special interview on DD Sports at this special transmission for the national games. All smiles, and indeed this is a moment she will cherish all her life.
The 800 meters.
New record with 9 minutes 15.30 seconds in the 800 meters freestyle for women. Akansha Vora of Maharashtra. She receives her medal, gold medal from Mr. Digambar Kamat, President of the Swimming Federation of India. And this is how she swam beautifully, keeping that balance. Nice flow of arms, strong kick, and coming towards the end, competition being left behind.
It's really a good finish by Akansha Vora, Maharashtra. They are the three girls who has won. Akansha Vora with a new meet record. Gold medal, Malvika V again from Karnataka, silver medal, again better new meet record, and Monique Gandhi from Maharashtra with a bronze medal. This is the first, second and third. Beautiful coverage. Thanks to Doordarshan Kendra for giving all live coverage to all the games. And this is Akansha Vora for a gold medal, and she is a proud moment for her. She is a golden girl of Maharashtra with a new meet record.